Hey guys, welcome back. We are now on lab 5, which is integrate pre-built flows. First, we're going to click on topics on the left-hand pane, and we're going to click on the name of return items. This will bring up your authoring canvas window. Next, we're going to scroll down until the condition of if the price is less than $2,000, and where we have the end conversation, we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click delete. We're now going to replace it with a new node of ask a question. For the question, we're going to type, please enter your email address so I can look up your order and generate a return authorization code for you. This is also in the lab. Under the identify section, click on the multiple choice options and type email and click on email. And what this will do is it will enable formatting of an email address when the user enters something. If they don't enter an email address, the bot will ask them to try again. In the Save Response As, click on the little pen and rename this one to Customer Email Address. We're also going to leave this as Limited Scope Topic. We're going to save. Once that save is complete, you can close the Variable Properties window and scroll to below the question that we just entered. Then we're going to add a new node, call an action, and get order information by email. Now below this action, we're going to add a node and we're going to click Show Message. Paste the following information and format as needed. Now once we've done the formatting that we like, click next to each individual item where the colon is, then press space and choose the representative variable. For device name, we will simply choose device name, and so forth. So next will be email, which we have customer email, and then order number will also be order number. Do that for the rest of these items. So once you're finished, it should look something like this. Below this one, we're going to ask another question. And this question is going to be, would you like to return the item? Under Identify, we're going to choose Boolean, which will let them choose yes or no buttons in the chat. We're going to save response as edit value, rename this one to confirm return. We're going to leave this one as a limited scope of topic and save. And just click save one more time. After this one, we're going to add a condition. We're going to select our variable confirm return and is equal to false. Then we're going to add another one, end the conversation, and end with survey. Now for the other condition of all other conditions, we're going to add a new node of call an action and return item. Now these drop-down values match the variable with the same things that are in the drop-down. So for example, order number, we will also choose order number. And for customer email, we will also choose customer email address. It should look something like this. Once you can confirm that one, we're going to add one more new node. And we're going to show a message. We're going to paste, thank you, I have initiated your return request. Here is the return confirmation code. Press a space, and here we're going to click on return code. Once that's finished, we're going to do another message. A confirmation email with shipping instructions will be sent to you. And after that one, we're going to end the conversation with a survey. Now save your work. And just quickly, you may have noticed I did have an error a couple of times. If this does happen to you, just under the action over here of entering the email address, please do make sure over here where it says customer email text, you choose customer email address. You'll now notice when we save it, everything is fine. You can always use the topic checker in the top right hand corner to see if anywhere is broken. So now what we want to do is we want to test our bot. So if your bot is hidden, just click on test your bot at the bottom left. Otherwise it should be like this. Make sure track between topics is set to on. And here we're going to type return a product. Start by typing in your name, etc. And let's just say this one is $1,800. You can see that we're getting an authorization code. So we're going to add an email address. For this example, I'm going to use the email that I'm using for this exercise. Your email will differ. You can just type in anything here really. And as you can see here, we have our device, order number, and everything here. Now we will click yes for would you like to return the item. And now the bot is going to do a return confirmation code, which is right here. Now, did that answer your question? We will click on yes, and this should ask us for a survey. And if it wants anything else, just say no thanks, and we are now finished. We are now finished Lab 5. You can now go back to the home page and you can reset your bot.